my dear students. As I promised you, today we are going to make strawberry jam. If you want to make strawberry jam, this is very simple because you need only strawberries, sugar and a lemon. For example, in this case, I have decided to make 400 grams of strawberries, and 400 grams of strawberries means that you need only 200 grams of sugar, okay? So if you decide, for example, 500 grams, it would be 250 grams of sugar. If this is 1 kilo of strawberries, 500 grams of sugar. So the double of strawberry and the half of sugar. Do you understand? Okay. And now I need a lemon. Okay, this is very simple. Now we have the strawberries. We can cut them in 4 pieces, no more. With 4 pieces we have more than enough. And if the strawberry is very small, you don't have to cut. You can add like that. So this one, we have almost the strawberries ready. Yes. It's going to be very simple. So I have here the strawberries. Yes, I am cutting in 2, 3 or 4 pieces depending on the size of the strawberries. Okay, you can do it this before. Yes. Okay, so this one, for example, is very small, so you don't have to cut it in 4 pieces. In 2 is more than enough. And here we have this one that has to be cut, this one also, and I think this one. Okay? Now I add the sugar. Okay? Alright. And I'm going to clean my hands because my hands are not very clean. With water. Remember that it's very important to have always clean hands. Clean hands is very important. And obviously I cut the lemon and I'm going to add the juice of a lemon. It's very simple. We are using a traditional lemon squeeze, but if you have an electrical, obviously you can use it. Okay, so this is the lemon is ready, and we add lemon because the strawberry jam is going to be brighter. Okay, so don't forget to recycle, as I always say. Now it's here, and I'm going to take a spoon. I'm going to select this one because we made this with polymeric clay. Yes, this is very beautiful. So we move a little bit, and now I'm going to put this in the microwave for 5 minutes. Okay, 5 minutes in the microwave. Here, so 5 minutes in the microwave. After 5 minutes, we will see if the strawberry jam is ready. It is not, we will put 5 minutes more. But now 5 minutes. Okay, see you in 5 minutes. After 5 minutes in the microwave, this is the result. So we are going to move them a little bit, and now they will go 5 minutes more in the microwave. Okay, be careful because it's very hot. You have to use special gloves. Okay, 5 minutes more. See you in 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, the jam is ready. I hope you like this recipe. If you made this, you tell me, and we can talk about if you like it or if you didn't. Bye bye, see you.